All right, Jason, welcome to the channel. Today's project is on the Ford 250, F250, 2016. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, just came in today. Hornblaster train horns. This is the Outlaw 232. So it has 3 horns, a 2.5 gallon tank, compressor, everything ready to go. All I had to do was I just bought another switch to act. All right, I got that big box open, and here was all the stuff that's in that box. So you have this box, which says the Outlaw Hornblaster Outlaw brand. So in this box, you had the train horns, the 3, along with some airline. It's like a 1/2 inch airlines. That's what came in this box. And then what was loose in the other box was all this other stuff. So you had the tank, the compressor, you got stickers, business card, some line cutter, more airlines, looks like instructions. You got no idea what this is, but some air adapters, some wiring, power wire. You had a gauge, and then you have this thing, for the indicate how much pressure, and all this stuff, and fittings. Yeah, that's a lot of stuff. This is gonna be fun. Yep, that's what came in the kit. Complete kit. All you have to provide is like I said, the switch, and however you're going to mount the horns. And you see how big these horns are compared to my arm. Huge. And the tank compared to my arm. Yeah. What I'm going to do is I'm going to remove my spare tire, and I'm going to mount it up under where the spare tire was at. That's my location. So I'm going to have to make a bracket, or yeah, that's my plan. So yeah, so this is all the stuff. All right, first step, installing this thing. No spare tire. And there's that thing. So what I decided to do, this is starboard, like marine plywood. I'm gonna cut this to size. I'm gonna mount the compressor, the tank, and the horns all on here. Cut a hole out in the middle, and then have the spare tire cable mount lifted up, and then that'll hold it secure. That's what my idea is. compressor, and the tank. Now I gotta mark them real good, make sure everything's straight and squared, and drill some holes. Finished edge. Nice and smooth. Alright. Give it a coat of paint and ready to mount everything on. Oh yeah. Alright, I'm gonna let that dry out there and put another coat on it here in a little bit, but I'm gonna go ahead and get this tank prepped. The instructions are pretty clear. Drain gonna go on the bottom, but my tank is gonna be mounted upside down, so this is actually gonna be my drain, and the top, which is gonna be this, is gonna be the safety valve instead of the other way around like the picture shows. So it just depends on how you mount it, is which way you put these your valves. So you just gotta be careful with that. But yeah, pretty tight fit. I don't know. Working on it here. Alright, well, check this out. So this went in pretty good. I went to loosen it, and now this is disconnected from the whole piece, so it doesn't unloosen, it just turns. Weird. And then the other problem, there's no, this won't even screw in all the way, so it doesn't allow that to blow out. So, and I can't put that any further. So I wonder if they threaded it for the other way around, thinking that no one's going to put it upside down. I don't know. Weird. So what I'm going to have to do is on the mounting board, I'm going to have to cut a hole out so this has room to move, because this needs to move like that. Little flawed. And I can't tighten that up anymore, so it's tight. Afraid to go any harder with it. Yeah. I guess they didn't plan for people to put it upside down. Oh, we'll figure it out. Alright, back at it. Well, paint's dry. I already went ahead and mounted everything. Everything lined up perfect. Everything's bolted tight. Probably can cut those off if I need to, but and then this is obviously goes into the tank here. The gauge is on, the regulator's on, the valve's on, drain valve, and then I put this piece on, which is the air tube. Air comes out and goes into here. That's all nice and tight. Yeah. All done. Now wiring stuff up is a whole nother story. All right, well, little by little. Here's what we got. So yeah, now it's up there nice and tight. There's that hole I had to drill so it would use the valve properly. So now wiring of this with these. There goes the regulator gauge. There's the arm that held it up, or is holding it up. And then these are the horn wires. Those are the yeah, I'm happy with it. Yeah, buddy. All right, well, it's been like a week. We had weather problems here, rain and stuff, and I just haven't had time to finish the horns. And today, I believe they're all done. So I'm gonna drive out of my neighborhood and give it a real try. I bumped the wires together real fast, and it did make a little noise. And it was loud, and I barely even touched the wire. So we're gonna leave the neighborhood and try these out. Well, it works. It is loud. So let me show you how I got them wired in here. So I have rocker lights in under the truck, you know, the white rocker lights. I think I got one in each fender, and then 4 more under there somewhere, and then I got 2 more I'm going to put on there, but I haven't got to that yet. Anyway, so the rocker lights I have connected to that switch, and so that's also the switch I hooked the compressor to. So the key has to be on. The key has to be on, and that switch on for the lights to work and the compressor to work. So as soon as I hit that switch, the compressor turned on, and it went all the way up to 150 and a half and stopped. So it works good right at 150. And then I put a switch here, and that activates the horn, with this switch off, it shouldn't work. let me try it. So I'm gonna turn this off, hit the switch. Yeah. So nothing. So this switch has to be on for the horn to work and the rocker lights. Yep. I'm driving. Oh, I gotta find somewhere so I can roll these windows down so you can hear it. Probably only have to roll the windows down, it's so loud. But yeah, they're extremely loud. Amazing. Let me find an out of area road and so I can blow these things. Okay, I found this business here. This is Saturday, so they're closed. So I'm parked, the windows are up, switch is on. I'm gonna hit a button. I'm gonna hit the horn button and see what it sounds like in here. Wow. Holy crap. All right, now I'm gonna roll the window down. Throw down both windows. What? You gotta be kidding me. That is so loud. That's amazing. I'd definitely get in trouble with these. So I'll head back home and run you through the wiring real fast. It's pretty simple. I'm trying to get some of these cars out of here so maybe I can drive and blow it to see how loud it is while I'm driving. A lot of people out. Alright, may be able to get a blow it here. Wow. It's so loud. And it's cold, so that's enough of that.